Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will talk about what is going on with crypto, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's go guys. If you watched my video from Saturday, then you should have made, or you could have made, a nice profitable trade, because on Saturday I said we can enter long position Bitcoin here. Yeah, and if you would have entered when I told you, we made a profit, like we made almost a 4% move. And as always guys, always do your own research before you invest your own money. I have still my trades open here over on Phemex. If you use my links, you will always get the highest available bonuses. Check the links in the description. As of right now, you can see in a profit of about, let's say, $590. I already took some profits when we reached the first level of resistance, and you can always play around, like, scale up or scale down your position. Right now, I already took some profits yesterday, as you can see, or as you just saw. Still about $600 left, and if we break through this resistance and this resistance, let's say this is a resistance zone, then I will scale up my positions again, yeah, because the target, we could go all the way up here. Okay, not much resistance coming in here guys. Okay, so if you're not in a trade right now, you could wait until you break this resistance zone here and then go long, for example. Or yeah, because it also, there's a as you can see, when we broke out, we actually wicked exactly until we reach the zone, somewhere exactly until the middle of the zone. So if you break out of this zone, you can enter a long position. Let me show guys what's going on with Ethereum. Almost the same. I also called out the trade on Saturday that at about this level you can enter a long position. If you would have done this guys, let me show you how many percent. Also, let's say it's 3.4% move. Yeah, as you just saw guys, I took some profits when we reach this level of resistance here. But if we break out above this again, we could go up all the way until $1,760, which would be, of course, a nice move again of about, let me show you guys, we could make about 7.5%, which would be amazing gains. If you have a 1K position, this would be $7,500 of profit, depending on how much you invest. Okay guys, so that's what's going on right now. Yes guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.